Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina, your upstate South Carolina's Bennington dealer. Today I'm going to show you guys the 2021 Bennington 21 SLX. This boat is a tri-tune with the SPS Performance tri-tune package on it. Bennington added a nice little new decorative feature to their railing system for 2021. They call that the levelator. There's 3 of them there on that boat. Nice little accent. This is the Monaco blue panel color, really vibrant blue, looks great out on the water. It's got the silver woven vinyl floor and the silver syntax upholstery with the Monaco blue accent stripe. One thing I really like about this boat is that it packs a lot of seating into a nice size platform. Both these front forward chases have nice lounger backs to them and a nice radius curved bend for very comfortable seating arrangement. The L-shaped rear bench also has a lounger back and lots of room to be seated there next to the driver and underneath the 10-foot long bimini top for lots of coverage from the sun and shade. Nice console on this boat with the throttle binnacle located right there alongside the driver, a kicker Bluetooth stereo, and a flush-mounted Garmin depth graph. We did power this boat with a Yamaha 150 horsepower engine and ski tow bar. Really hoping you can come by the dealership and see this boat in person. This is one of our better selling and better performing boats that we have on the market. Thank you.